Everyone, welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today we'll be talking about the market, where the market is heading and what it has been doing. And exactly the market has been doing what we said at the Christmas time. And since then the market trend has changed to bearish, and why is happening and where it's going, what would be the bottom, we will discuss in this video. Before that, let's uh, read the disclaimers. This video is for educational purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice or recommendation to buy or sell any sort of securities or investments. For your financial actions, please consult with your professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. Okay, so let's get started. So here in this video, as you can take a look at it, I tried to pull all the previous data's last 20 years. As you can, this chart is basically a monthly chart. Each candle represents 1 month, but I'm trying to make it a little short as far as I can go, so I can move forward. So in 2000, when the Y2K.com bubble and then 9/11 impact, that time market dropped 48% in 2000, in 2002. So it lasted for almost 2 years. Then the second drop was when the US market entered into the recession. That time market dropped 55%. That lasted for 2 years. Then the third drop was flash crash. Basically, somebody immediately sold big sell orders, and then it domino effect. That was the little turbulence. Was market was down 14% in 2010. Then the fourth down was in 2011 when the European debt crisis rise, 18% down market. Then the fifth one was the Brexit time, when the Brexit exit in that 20% down in 2018, which was right here. And then the sixth one, when the pandemic hits the world, that the market dropped 35% in 2020. So, and now we are in 2022. Excuse me. So we made a video last week about when the the market was dropping, how far it's going, and we gave a heads up that and I think the market is really changing the momentum, and we need to take a look at it. But we did give the more heads up at the Christmas time. Anyway, so if you can take a look at the 2022, what exactly happening? The highest inflation rate is 7% since 39 years, 1983. Market was balloon 125%. SPY at the tip of the iceberg. If you can take a look at the SPY from here, it grow all the way up to here. So let me make it daily chart at least, so you can get to know what exactly happening here. Right here, you can see. Okay, got it now. So as you can see, when the market dropped in 2020 and Fed announced the zero interest rate, since then the market took off almost 125% in 2 years. Never happened in the history. And then now, why I call it, we are at the tip of the icebergs, because we were here. We still very here. So exactly this market is doing what we've been predicting. And how far is going down? Well, as you can see, 125% was up. We need to find the support. Once we find the support, then there will be reversal, maybe consolidation, and then we find the bullish. So we still, when the falling knife is happening, we should not catch. We get hurt. So anyway, now what are the scenario where when this can reverse? We just can't just look at the candles and say, decide, oh yeah, this would be the support, unless, but many people thought, oh, 100-day moving average is the support. Now we broke 100-day moving average, 200-day moving average also broke, then this support also broke. So right now SPY is heading 420. So this is S&P 500, the biggest weightage in the market, where all the Fortune 500 companies are listed. So that's why I'm taking a look at the SPY. If I take a look at the QQQ or NASDAQ, they would be more down compared to the SPY, because technical stock ran too much in 2020 to 2021 highest ran. So the air is leaking more out of those tech stock than the growth, some other value stocks. So uh, as you can see right here, the we are at the 420. It, how far the technical supports are? Well, we have been drawing the supports, you know, but again, right at this moment, it's not just the support. We have to watch the supports when it reverses. So, but again, as we have to take a look at the main, uh, this is just like a herky jerky moment, according to me. Though many people are impacted, but this is just a little herky jerky moment because just market dropped 88.8%. This was the I did it on Friday. So since then, today is almost like a 12% down. And as you can look, we already looked at the history of most of the time when the market down was 18%, 30%, 20%. So we are still has a lot of air to leak. That's how I see. Because before the Fed announced, Fed is going to start tightening. And why Fed is tightening? Because of the inflation. Inflation is way high on 7% until bring down to 2 to 3%. So we need to wait and watch, see what exactly market is doing, and see, then we all can be bullish. So until then, what would happen to the stocks? Apple, Tesla, Square, PayPal, Microsoft, Nvidia, they all are leaking right now. So we need to wait and watch until we got to be a sideways, wait, watch, and see, and look for reversal. Then we could be the bullish. That's the my technical top trading edge. Uh, uh, gives you knowledge. Then if you learn out of that, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll try to respond you back on it. Um, Also, you can follow me on Twitter. That's where I send all the alerts. Video is very difficult sometime during the work days, but I can definitely try my best to, send Twitter's alerts on Top Trading Edge at Twitter. Thank you.